expert.
It's all about 2020 you.
Now to extra depth, context, and perspective on mortgage rates and the housing market. Mortgage rates to buy a home on a 30-year loan dropped in the last 2 weeks, the largest decline since 2008. According to Freddie Mac, it averaged 5.30%, down from 5.7% the week before. However, that is still significantly higher than this time last year when it was 2.9%. Right now, mortgage rates are at their highest levels since the late 2000s. Economists say the decline these past 2 weeks is happening because there is a fear of a recession. ABC 7 spoke with an El Paso mortgage loan officer, Nick Talley, who says the current rate drop doesn't mean things are going back to the way they were a year ago, but it may be good news for some.
I think that when rates start to actually continue to drop, we're not going to see what we saw during the pandemic, which is really low rates, but we will see enough to where buyers are seeing that they can afford some of these houses.
One thing impacting home buyers right now is competition. Over the past few months, those seeking to buy a home have encountered that houses are selling faster than realtors are able to put up a for sale sign in the front yard. And that's happening because there's been a massive shortage of homes, both new and previously owned, and millennials are getting to the age of entering the market. You often find that somebody else made an offer to buy a house thousands of dollars above the asking price and maybe your offer, but things are changing.
You might see a little bit more competition. Competition has started to fade a little bit, but it's still there currently in the market today. But there will be some more competition, so it's important for home buyers to make those aggressive offers, first when they're looking to buy.
The good news is that more homes are hitting the market, which means there won't be as much competition. Realtor.com's data shows in June, active listings increased by the largest annual growth in the history of the website. And if you're looking to buy a home right now, here's a tip.
If you're waiting for the rates to drop as a home buyer, it's important to know that, this stuff is not going to happen overnight. It's something that's going to happen in the future. So keep that in mind. Today is still a good day to buy a home. If you wait for a year from now for when rates are lower, you could be losing out on close to 15% to, even at the worst, 4% of appreciation.
And you may be wondering what's going to happen if there is a recession. Well, Talley says historically home prices rise, but mortgage rates drop.
Here is your forecast from Nicole Gomez filling in for Doppler Dave tonight. Nicole.
Our forecast looking pretty good, at least for the far east side of town for now. I know we had that thunderstorm that rolled in far east side of town, but right now I'm not seeing any thunderstorms. Well, let's take a closer look at the storm that I am tracking at this hour. Already moved through Chamberino and it's